Uyabona lengakusho manje itami ne. Like kubantu basekazi bantu bangaphandle ngithola. La bangakaze bathole lithuba lemina ngilitholile. Angiyafisa mfethu ukuthi bangasonzela mfethu.
Nami ngiyafisa.
Especially like buma Saturday Sunday uyangithola. Bashaye around bathi bona ukuthi siphila kanjani. Si communicate kanjani uyangithola.
Because it's education.
Yeah. Because like into engijabulisa kakhulu ngilo ukuthi like ukuthi ngibone umuntu like ahamba phezulu induku kusikansi. Kusikansi kakhulu. Yeah, even the town kusikansi.
Bakhona.
Nabajayele labo magogo nabo in.
Yes, but bona bakhulile mfowethu. Uyabo? Akuthusi kangaka. Akumangalisi.
Akumangalisi to be honest, akumangalisi. Because most people bajwayele other conditions and other disabilities.
And like if ngabake ngami mfowethu ngipresident ngiphethe uyangithola ngisethi ikhundleni bengathi mina ngathini like like etu weminyaka ne like ikolweni boma primary baphuma noma kayi3 ngeminyaka batonibona uyangithola just bathore
as an exhibition
then bathore babona tilwana no bathore batobona nini mfowethu babona ukuthi nikhona uyangithola niphila njani just bahlale nje babona yonke into
just ukuhlala nje
ephuthu nibaleke kakhulu mna ebaleke kakhulu
it's education kahle you know that's where you will realize ukuthi phela la mhlabeni kahle you must explore kahle ungazivali you know ngahlali nje like nami ngiyafisa just like every year just like financial year plan the way iphuma ngakhona every year vele bengimele vele at least ihambisane ne budget as an exhibition you know and I also want to engage and you know challenge departments like social development and children and for women also, and you know that department also most people they think maybe it's only social development, it's only social related issues. That social department very petty disability, it's disabled people, women and children. As you can see ukuthi lamalanga vele sikhala ngeGBV vele
mfethu like in short umkhuluma so yabo like ngibona ngcono ukuthi sinembombela stadium la khaya mfethu sinembombela stadium in display so lapha kune like my team mafike bo Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns and Pirates nalawo before bafika because I know banokuhlala malanganyana laba practice like batika isikhathi uyangithola basile pass labo lapha basuke betonibona manje but they understand ubona ukuthi na exist man mina bakudlala rugby noma bakudlala cricket mfowethu noma udlala bafana khona la ebombeni basuke nje batonishela around.